Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. In QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise, you can set up a custom approval process for bills and purchase orders. Let's go over how to set up an approval workflow, how to put a bill or purchase order through your approval flow, and then how the approver approves the transaction. To start, go to the Company menu and select Set up Approval Processes. You'll need to sign in as an admin to create a workflow. Select Get Started. You can set up separate approval processes for purchase orders and bills. Let's set up approvals for bills. Name your workflow. Then enter the conditions that will trigger the approval. You can add multiple conditions if you want. In this example, we'll trigger an approval for any bill that's over $500 or more from a vendor who we classify as materials. Then select what actions happen when your conditions are met. Enter who should approve the bill, who QuickBooks should notify, and what you want to happen if you don't approve it in a certain time period. Review the email your approver will receive. You can customize the email if you want. When you're ready, select Save and Activate. Now your new approval process is set up. Select OK, and you'll see it under the Approval Processes. From here you can set up new approval processes. It's important to note, though, that you can only have one active approval process for each transaction type. Use the Action drop-down menu to edit, delete, or deactivate and activate approval processes. Now when you save a bill, QuickBooks will tell you if the bill needs approval. Bills created by the admin won't be sent for approval. Enter a comment for the approver. Select No, Save as a Draft to save your progress and send it for approval later. When you're ready, select Send for Approval. QuickBooks marks the bill as pending approval. While it's pending, it does not affect your account balances. The approver can see any bills or purchase orders pending approval. Select Company and Track and Approve Transactions. From the Approval Requests window, the approver can see any bills or purchase orders pending approval, as well as any that you've rejected, approved, or just all of the statuses together. Select Comments to see what the sender wrote about the transaction. From the Action drop-down menu, approve or reject the bill. And the approver can leave their own comments. Select Approve. Let's go to the bill you approved. QuickBooks changed the status to Approved, and select the Approval tab to see a record of each step in the approval process along with any comments. Now you're ready to set up and use your own bill and purchase order approval workflows in QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise.